Don't tighten it. That's it. So you're thinking of moving the buttock away from the lower back to the heels without letting those knees buckle to the floor. So the insides of the legs need to be much more sharp. I want the insides of your heels. Yeah! Superb. To press into the wall. So this is very sharp. Now, as you do that, climb this forward, forward, forward. And then I'm going to ask you to come up onto your fingertips, cup your hands. And like you did in child's pose, resist this part of the arms away from the ground.